Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly a couple different ways on how to recover some deleted notes from your device. So if you randomly or accidentally deleted your notes, or if you went on a trip somewhere and you randomly open up your notes and it's completely empty, well, here's a couple ways to go about fixing that. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure you're in the correct notes panel. So if you don't know, you have, sometimes your iCloud notes, you have your system notes and different things like that. So what you can do is you can swipe out all the way out of here, and right here you'll see a couple different folders. Now for me, I don't have my iCloud notes synced up on this device, so that's why you just see notes. So you want to see if there's like an iCloud notes or any other notes folder here, and you want to tap on that, and you should be able to see all your other notes if they haven't been deleted. Sometimes your notes might take you to a different folder, and that's basically the main thing. You just have to basically go back to that original folder, and you should be able to see all your notes here. If that doesn't actually work and you see that you actually did delete all your devices or your device notes, you might have seen that when we swipe back, we have a recently deleted box or a little folder here. So what we can do is we can go ahead and tap on that, and you see that we actually do have one note that I deleted before. And just like deleted photos or whatever, you do have the capability of recovering this. So I can go ahead and click edit up here, click here, and then I can click move, and I can move it back into my folder right here. And as you can see, my notes is back. And you can do that for every single note that you accidentally deleted, and that's another huge thing you can do. Now another thing I would recommend doing, and this is very, very crucial, and you kind of have to listen to me before you go and actually do it because it'll take a step. There was a time where I knew somebody who deleted all their notes on their phone by accident, but luckily they had a separate iCloud device that had the same iCloud account linked to it. And what I basically told them to do, or what I did for them, and it worked, I was surprised, was that it basically was an old iPhone 5 or 5S or something. And what I did was I went on their phone, I immediately turned off the Wi-Fi. That was the very first thing I did. I turned off the Wi-Fi, and then I went into their notes app, and I saw that all of the original notes were there. Now if you have a MacBook, it's the same thing. If you have any other iCloud account device, you can do this, even an iPod. I went into their notes app, and I literally copied all their existing notes that were in here, and I pasted them into another folder. And then at that point, I let it sync back up. So that original folder basically deleted all those notes, but the second folder kept all those notes inside of it. And so at that point, that pretty much fixed it. And then I was able to go and copy the original notes that were in the other folder and paste them in the other folder. It took a little bit of time, but that was another thing that I did, and it worked extremely well. And I was surprised that it worked. Honestly, I was expecting to refresh in the back end and for there to be problems, but there really wasn't, which I was surprised at. The final thing you can do, which I would probably recommend all of you to do anyway, is to go to your backups on your existing iCloud accounts and go ahead and restore your Notes app that way. There's ways to restore certain apps and not your whole entire phone, so you can go ahead and do that too. That's another thing I would recommend. If you have a Google Drive or whatever associated with your iPhone, sometimes your notes and other links can also be synced up with that too, so that's another thing I would recommend looking at. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. The like button helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.